The new version of the sheet metal module focuses on deep feature optimization. It supports sheet metal fillets, joint flange, merge flange, and generating flanges from spline edges. It makes results more precise and design richer and freer. New dedicated sheet metal fillet feature. After applying sheet metal fillets at bends, the part can still be unfolded and folded normally, and it conforms to actual production results. Design becomes more convenient and accurate. New joint flange feature. For multiple separate sheet metal base plates, simply select the sheet metal features to be connected, and the software automatically generates the connecting portion. At the same time, it also supports handling intersecting sheet metal, completing flange folding with one click, making sheet metal design freer. New merge flange feature. It supports merging separate sheet metal bodies. After merging, they can still be unfolded and folded normally. Supports generating flanges from spline edges. In the flange, full flange, and jog flange tools, spline edges can be selected to add various flange types, easily covering more complex sheet metal design requirements.